Cleaning up from a catastrophic windstorm. 10 News reporter Patricia Martellotti catches up with an Appalachian Power crew in Roanoke County working to get the lights back on.
Herb Coles of Appalachian Power is pleased that the wind has died down.
And what we're doing now is recovery efforts, still putting power on a little bit at a time.
Now that the wind has weakened, crews are able to go up on the cherry pickers to continue restoring power around the community.
Looking out for the hazards that are apparent, tree limbs hanging in trees, wires that are still down, the destruction that comes with these type of windy conditions.
As the weather improves, Brian Smith of Appalachian Power says people are starting to go back to their normal day-to-day routines.
People are excited, you know, the power's getting on, or if the power's not on, they're still excited.
And as nice as the warmer weather may feel, inspiring folks to head outdoors, safety still remains a concern. While much of the power is getting restored in the area, crews want to remind drivers to slow down when approaching construction zones.
And they're coming around corners a little bit fast. We wish that they would just take their time so that we can be safe as we're getting the power restored. But once you have wind damage, tree damage, you have to take your time, use your diligence, your safety practices, and most of all, follow the rules to protect yourself and the general public. So it takes time to get it on. We ask patience from the general public.
Cole expects most of the power to be fully restored throughout the Roanoke County in the next day or so. In Roanoke, Patricia Martellotti, 10 News, working for you.